Jack would visit the bank that Kylee worked in here in Utah to build his collection, of course. But it didn't take us long to start wondering if he was visiting just for the coins anymore, or they're like, oh wow, this guy's in here like almost every other day now. He's really serious about this collection. Since then, you know, we've watched their relationship flourish as they have personally, both of them. Kylee deserves nothing but happiness, and I know she's found so much love and security with Jack, who is really just a stand-up guy.
Let me leave you then with a few last things. Remember that the strongest foundations are forged as you overcome adversity together, standing shoulder to shoulder, even through your darkest times, and then celebrating like crazy when either of you wins. Not everyone is lucky enough to find someone to walk through the world with. It's a rare thing. It's something worth hanging on to. Love each other as you are and continue to grow together. And then, as you go forward, as you grow your friendship, one of the most important things you can learn in this life is that apologizing does not always mean that you were wrong and the other person was right. It may just mean that your relationship is more important than your ego. It's worth working hard for. You need that for each other. Your relationship deserves to be treated with that level of respect, and your best friend deserves that kind of care. By the authority vested in me by the state of Utah, I'm pleased to pronounce you husband and wife, Jack. You may kiss your bride.